You know what I've realized in all these wealthy people when they share their story is always amazing. Like how they started, where they are now. But there is something, this is just the truth. There is something that is similar in all of them. Number one, all wealthy people are risk takers. Yeah. Number two is that they all have a moment where they had to sacrifice their convenience. Yeah, I mean the word convenience to actually get the wealth they have. Now, what do I mean by that? You've got 300,000 naira in your account. Unless you have an asset you want to buy at 290,000 naira, and you don't have any expectation of money for the next a month or thereabout, you want to sacrifice and say, let me use 290 for the investment and come back to it later. You understand? So, at a point of their life, I realize they're always taking this kind of risk. They're always having a time where they say, let me take this risk. Truly, I may starve. Truly, I may not be getting what I want. Truly, I may not be wearing the latest clothes. Let me just do it for my future. And there is another thing they used to do. They all look for a strategy to have a stable income. Should I make this my next video? Okay, let me embed it to this. They all look for a strategy to have a stable income that caters to their feeding. Why they think of how they're going to sustain and how they're going to become great, how they're going to become massively wealthy. Yeah, how they will start making that millions, billions they've thought about. But is it most that made me believe that word of Yoruba. Say Ibi wonu kuro mi wo. No, sincerely, I'm telling you, if you have heard that adage, you may not really understand it, or you may be using it the wrong way. But what it really means is that it's impossible for you to be living in hunger and you expect great ideas to come. Or guy, know they possible. I'm telling you, it can't just work that way. So you've got to get a sustainable income first and say, okay, this one will give me my feeding. You give me my 3 square meal. If you eat 3 times a day, of course. This one can pay my bills. Yeah. So that way I can concentrate on money making and wealth building. Meet me in my next video.